Students, welcome to Moodle Classroom, TBGT students, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller. Students, we discuss about call instructions. L call, long call, 3-byte instruction, 2-byte address, target address within 64 kilobyte range. A call, absolute call, 2-byte instruction, 11-bit address, target address within 2 kilobyte range. The AT51 provides two forms for the return instruction: return from subroutine RET, return from ISR interrupt service routine, return RETI return from interrupt. AT51 conditional jump instructions and conditions. Jump 0, jump if A equal to 0, jump not 0, jump if A not equal to 0, decrement and jump not equal to 0, decrement and jump if A not equal to 0. Compare jump not equal A comma byte, jump if A not equal to byte. Compare jump not equal register comma hash data, jump if byte not equal to hash data. Jump on carry, jump if carry equal to 1, jump no carry, jump if carry equal to 0, jump borrow, jump bit, jump if bit equal to 1, jump no bit, jump if bit equal to 0, jump bit clear, jump if bit equal to 1 and clear bit. AT51 addressing modes. The CPU can access data in various ways which are called addressing modes. They are immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, external direct addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. The source operand is a constant. The immediate data must be preceded by the pound sign, that is pound signal. Can load information into any register including 16-bit data pointer register. Data pointer can also be accessed as two 8-bit register, the high byte data pointer high and low byte data pointer low. Move A comma pound symbol or hash symbol 25H, load 25H into A. Move R4 comma pound symbol or hash symbol or 62, load 62 into R4. Move B comma as 40H, load 40H into B register. Move DPTR comma hash 4521H, data pointer equal to 4512H. Move DPL comma hash 21H, this is the same. Move DPH comma hash 45H as above. Illegal value greater than 65535, that is within bracket FFFFH. Move DPTR comma hash 68975. Register addressing mode. Use registers to hold the data to be manipulated. Move A comma R0, copy contents of R0 into A. Move R2 comma A, copy contents of A into R2. Add A comma R5, add contents of R5 to A. Add A comma R7, add contents of R7 to A. Move R6 comma A, save accumulator in R6. The source and destination registers must match in size. Move DPTR comma A will give an error because data pointer is 16-bit register, accumulator is the 8-bit register. Move DPTR comma hash 25F5H. Move R7 comma DPL, data pointer low. Move R6 comma data pointer high. The movement of data between register banks 0 to 4 registers is not allowed. Move R4 comma R7 is invalid. Direct addressing mode. It is most often used the direct addressing mode to access RAM locations, random access memory locations 30 to 7FH. The entire 128 bytes of RAM can be accessed. Contrast this with immediate addressing mode. There is no pound symbol, sign in the operand, that is hash symbol. Move R0, 40H, save content of 40H in R0. Move 56H, A, save content of A in 56H. Stack and direct addressing mode. Only direct addressing mode is allowed for pushing or popping the stack. Push A is invalid. Pushing the accumulator onto the stack must be coded as push 0E0H. Accumulator address only allowed. Stack and direct addressing. Solution: push 05, push R5 onto stack. Push E0E0H, push register A onto stack. Pop 0F0H, pop top of stack into B register. Now register B equal to register A. Pop 02, pop top of stack into R2. Now R2 equal to R6. Register indirect addressing mode. A register is used as pointer to the data. Only register R0 and R1 are used for this purpose. R2 and to R7 cannot be used to hold the address of an operand located in random access memory. When R0 and R1 hold the address of random access memory locations, they must be preceded by the sign. Move A, at R0. Move contents of RAM whose address is held by R0 into A. Move at R1, B. Move contents of B into RAM whose address is held by R1. Register indirect addressing mode. Write a program to copy the value 55H into RAM memory locations 40H to 41H using direct addressing mode, B register indirect addressing mode without a loop, and C with a loop. Solution: move A, hash 55H, load A with value 55H. Move 40H, A, copy A to RAM location 40H. Move 41H, A, copy A to RAM location 41H. B, move A, as 55H, load A with value 55H. Move R0, hash 40H, load the pointer R0 equal to 40H. Move at R0, A, copy A to RAM. R0 points to increment pointer. Now R0 equal to 41H, increment R0. Move at R0, A, copy A to RAM, accumulator to RAM. R0 points to next C. Move A, as 55H, A equal to 55H. Move R0, hash 40H, load pointer R0 equal to 40H. Move R2 equal to hash 02, load counter R2 equal to 3. And loop again. Move at R0, A, copy 55H to RAM. R0 points to increment R0 pointer, increment R0. Decrement jump not 0, R2, again loop until counter equal to 0. Register indirect addressing mode. The advantage is that it makes accessing data dynamic rather than static as in direct addressing mode. Looping is not possible in direct addressing mode. Write a program to clear 16-bit RAM locations starting at RAM address 60H. For example, clear A equal to 0. Move R1, at 60H. Load pointer R1 equal to 60H. Move R7, at 16. Load counter R7 equal to 16. Again loop. Move at R1, A. Clear RAM R1 points to increment R1 pointer. Increment R1. Decrement jump no 0. R7, again. Again is the loop. Loop until counter equal to 0. External direct. External memory is accessed. There are only two commands that use external direct addressing mode. MOVX A, DPTR. MOVX at DPTR, A. Here data pointer register is used. Data pointer must first be loaded with the address of external memory. 8051 assembly language programming. Addition of two 8-bit numbers. Address label mnemonics. Starting address 9100. Start is the label. Mnemonics clear C. We can clear the carry. Move R0 comma hash 00. Immediate data R00 will be goes to R0. Move A comma hash 05. 5 is go to accumulator. Move B comma hash 03. 3 data going to B register. Add A comma B. A register and B register will be added. 5 and 3 will be added. Move DPTR comma hash 9200. 9200 data save ஆகிறதுக்கு. JNC again is the loop. Increment or not. JNC means jump on no carry. No carry means going to ahead, or otherwise increment R0. Register 0 add pen. Increment register R0 ahead. MOVX move X at DPTR comma A. Increment DPTR, increment the data pointer register. Move A comma R0. R0 to accumulator. MOVX at DPTR comma A. A is going to data pointer address location. Here is the label. Short jump here. The program will goes to short jump here only. Addition of two 8-bit numbers discussed. Subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. Address, label, mnemonics. Last program we can discuss same thing. Here after because of that addition we can now we can see only subtraction. Subtraction will be the operation. Add A comma B. Here SUBB comma A comma B only used. Both of them are same. Multiplication concept. Mul A B. A into B. Place 16-bit result in B and A. Move A comma hash 25H. Load 25H to register A. Move B comma hash 65H. H is the hexadecimal. Load 65 in register B. Mul AB. 25 into 65, that is equal to E99, where B equal to 0E and A equal to 99. That is higher order will be stored in B register, lower order will be stored in A register. Unsigned multiplication summary. Multiplication operand 1, operand 2 result. Byte and byte multiplication. Operand 1 A byte, operand 2 B byte. Result will be A equal to low byte, B will be I byte. Division concept. Div AB. Divide A by B. Move A comma hash 95H. Load 95 into A register. Move B comma hash 10H. Load 10 into B. Div AB. Now A equal to 09 quotient and B equal to 05 remainder. Unsigned division summary. Division numerator, denominator, quotient, remainder. Byte by byte division. Numerator A, denominator B, quotient A, remainder B. Multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. Address, label, mnemonics. Here starting address is 9000. Label start. Move A comma hash 05. Move F0 comma hash 03. Here B will be 0F0 address will be used. Mul AB. Move multiplication of A and B. 05 and 03 multiplication. Move DPTR comma hash 9200. Address will be 9200. MOVX at DPTR comma A. Increment DPTR. Move A comma F0. F0 will be moved into A accumulator. MOVX at DPTR comma A. A will be goes to data pointer register. Here short jump here. The short jump will be here only. Next, division of two 8-bit numbers. This is also a same as multiplication operation. Start. Move A comma 05. Move F0 comma 03. Here we can use mul AB. Here now used div AB. But same the program. Average of 5 or n 8-bit numbers. First locate the 40H.